Alright, hey guys, what's up? This is John from Mototech Tips. Today we're going to be just going through some normal after ride maintenance. We're going to do some cleaning of the body or the plastics. Then after that we'll get into the more intricate stuff like changing the oil, cleaning the air filter, adjusting the shocks, stuff like that. So first of all, when we're cleaning up the bike, we got to take the seat off, obviously. And then that'll lead us to the air filter. We'll get into that later. First, let's take off these bolts. Alright, so once we get the seat off, we're just going to take this, sit it over there. I like to put the bolts back into whatever they came off of, just to make sure we don't lose them. So let's throw these back in the seat. Alright. Alright. Then that leaves us. Here's the rear fender, number plates, or the side panels. Air filter right here, as you can see. Gas tank, radiator shroud, front fender, number plate. Alright, so next, we're going to leave the gas tank alone for now. We're going to take rear fender, the rear number plates off. So first, we're going to be, I use the same wrench because it fits. We're going to take off this bolt right here. Set it aside. Then go to the other side. Those are all the same. Now we got to break out the ratchets. Just to make things easier for myself, I like to take red tape and put it around the socket that I use. This one's for like doing the plastics and stuff. This one's for the oil plug. And as you can see, I kind of labeled them. So this is going to be for this bolt and the two on that side. And then we're going to need this right here for eight sides right here. Let's take these off. Alright, so first thing you gotta make sure you remember, do not make sure you get all the bolts that come off the plastics. Like there's a spacer on there, and then there was a spacer on the inside. These will stick to the plastics because the bolt tightens up into them. So it's pretty obvious, because you're gonna need them. Remember, just don't forget. You don't want to be riding and have stuff wobbling around. first bolt, washer, take them off. Pop out the second bolt and the washer. Put them back together in the order they came off. Screw them tight. Set them down for later. Alright, so now we can pop off this. That's called the rear fender. While we're doing that, we're going to take that first bolt that we took off, throw it back on right here so you don't lose it. Get that one that we took off from a little bit ago, put it right back here. On this side, you're not going to